Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get rich in the My Superstore Simulator on iOS and Android in 2025. So as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get into the video. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this site. It's called hexmods.com. So let me just type it in right here. So it's hexmods.com. So once you're on this site, guys, just go to the search bar, type in My Superstore Simulator, and as you can see, it says My Superstore Simulator mod. So once again, here's the site for you guys. But yeah, you just press on the button and it will start downloading the mod. So I've already downloaded it, but for you guys, just let it download and you should be good to go. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. Totally works, guys. So yeah, if you're poor in My Superstore Simulator, be sure to try this out because it actually works, guys. And it's super weird. So many haters in the comments and stuff, but trust me, guys, it works, as you can see. So be sure to try it out if you're poor. This actually works 2025, My Superstore Simulator modded version, guys. So yeah, if you're poor, guys, be sure to try it out. It's super awesome. It fully works. So yeah, so crazy. Bro, this is for everyone. We can even go to the store and I'll show you how expensive it is. So let me just type it in. We'll just do My Superstore Simulator. And you don't need the normal game installed, just the mod, but as you can see, like, it's really expensive. I mean, bro, look at this. Where's the pricing? Oh my gosh, it goes all the way up to $60. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. It's super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it, and peace out.